Chapter 63. Sunday, in Hebrew school, the cantor tells me he read about me in the newspaper. "Very impressive, David," he says. A few kids tell me how much they like my videos. I wish the kids from Hebrew school went to Harmon. As soon as I get home, I put up Fake New York. I know I have to make another talk time. My fans are waiting. When I get to the top 6.5 list, I say, top 6.5 ways to avoid a swirly. And something happens that has never happened before. My mind goes blank. I can't think of a single way to avoid a swirly. I don't even know what I did to make Tommy Murphy hate me so much. I put my camera away and stare out the window and at the place in the backyard near the azalea bush. What good in life? What does it do to be famous online when in real life I go to a school where all I am is Lameberg?